Host Richard C. Wilson with a quick investment mandate update. We have 131 investor clients signed now through our virtual investor club panel called virtual investor club platform called privateequity.com. This is separate from the 2,000 investors that are registered with the Family Office Club who show up on the webinars, the discussion panels, our members of the LinkedIn group who show up at all of our different events and within the portal overall. Lately, there's been more of a need and desire for income investments. There has been a dismissal of things that when they get the materials or the pitch, it doesn't even acknowledge the fact that we're in the middle of a pandemic. I keep on seeing materials that still talk about their real estate development or their operating business, and they don't even address the fact of or how they're going through the pandemic and surviving and doing well or thriving or staying the same, how they're addressing the changes. So investors are dismissing things that are just kind of tone deaf to it. Some investors are still in research mode, getting their plan together. They might have one investment thesis, maybe two out of the 3 to 5 they might feel like they need during the pandemic to come out well on the other side. But investors are making allocations. We've secured several investment commitments from our investor base. We've also registered 25 new investor clients under contract since the pandemic started. So things are growing. Investors are taking action, signing agreements, sending their wire transfers, et cetera. And I expect that to only increase in the months of June, July, and August. Personally, I think things might also get uglier during that time. But throughout this summer and fall, I think there'll be more investor actions taken, more allocations. I know we have a big deal, a $15 million transaction that's set to close on June 1st. We're looking forward to that, hopefully coming to fruition. But I know this has been a challenging time for a lot of people here listening. But I just wanted to share if anyone has income-related investments, gross revenue royalty investments, dental clinic chains, medical spa chains, profitable operating businesses with $1 million plus in revenue. Those are some things that are in high demand across many of our clients right now. And if you're listening to this and you're new to our community and you want to see what we're all about, please go to familyoffices.com/join, and you'll see a whole bunch of different things that would be included in membership. Membership is mostly for people who are looking to attract investor clients, raise capital, syndicate deals. If you're an investor listening to this, would love to work with you. There's no obligation or cost to get started. To join our virtual investor club kind of division of the Family Office Club, please go to privateequity.com. That's only for investors, not anyone who's raising capital or syndicating deals. But if you're looking to get access to the best deal flow we've identified by interacting with 45,000 professionals a year, I would be happy to share some of those ideas and strategies with you. Just go to privateequity.com. Thanks for your time, everyone, and I'll see you again soon.